legislators to kindly cooperate and let the House function, because it's a very important issue which requires to be discussed, sir. And secondly, sir, with your kind permission, I would request the government, sir, to please see the situation. What is the situation here, sir? After seeing the situation and the disturbance, sir, government should either appeal to them, or I request through you to kindly suspend these members, sir, and bring the House in order, sir. Because it's a very important issue. Either they need to be suspended, and I would say that they need to go back to the chairs. Sir, it's a very sad day, sir. मैं ये जरूर कहूंगा कि it is a very sad day of Telangana Assembly, sir. We all together had fought against the injustice which was done to the region of Telangana, and all of us together succeeded in achieving Telangana, sir. And see what the BRS is doing to the Telangana Legislative Assembly, sir. What is this, sir? I would like to ask them, sir, is this the teaching of the KCR and the BRS, sir? Is this what they are being taught? Is this the behavior which has been taught? This is the way they are supposed to behave? Sir, agitating is the right of every individual, sir, and every legislature. But there is some limit of agitation, sir. Koi akhlaq hote hain. Sir, what is the message we are giving, sir? Sir, we all are elected members. We all are elected members. We are sent by the people to represent their issues, to represent their problems, and not only to represent but to resolve their problems and issues, sir. But it is so sad, BRS for BRS, sir, individual is more important than the people, sir. If one individual is so important, then I think the people will teach them our more strong lesson, sir. Because we come here to represent the people. We are not here to represent one individual. You are fighting for one individual, and I am standing here fighting for the people, sir. And we will continue our fight, sir. हम आवाम के मसाइल को उठाने आए हैं. And sir, this Dharani, sir, right from day one, sir, Dharani was brought into, and it was enacted, sir, only to help one family, sir. And today also they are agitating for one family member only, sir. This gives a message: family is superior than the people. Family is superior than the state. Family is superior than this house. It is very sad, sir. Very sad, sir. Very, very sad, sir. Sir, the reason for bringing in this Bahu Bharati bill is that lot of irregularities has happened, and the people responsible for the irregularities is again one family, sir. And sir, it is a very important subject, sir. There are many amendments also which me and my party has given, and we want the amendments to be discussed, sir. Sir, when the Dharani had lacunas and shortcomings, and it had given ways and means to one family, to have irregularities, take the government land, take the farmers' land, and they have taken, sir, the state. Sir, I would like to come on record and say that, sir, the state has lost thousands of crores because of Dharani, sir. The farmers have lost thousands of acres, sir.